If you're serious about setting up a GoHighLevel agency and start selling solutions to other businesses, this is exactly for you. So I've seen a lot of people get a free high-level trial. They watch a few videos, they set up a funnel, maybe a pipeline, watch a few more videos and quickly get overwhelmed. They simply don't know what to do next. And this is why I have launched a 30-day GoHighLevel challenge. The whole purpose of this challenge is to give you direction, a proper structure, and an actual implementational map so you can do it yourself without needing any paid help, any paid consultations. And instead of me randomly throwing content on YouTube, this time I'm actually giving you a proper guideline, a solid game plan to become successful with your GoHighLevel. Now, this is not going to be another course that I upload on YouTube and then you watch it and forget about it. Instead, this will be a hands-on challenge where you actively need to be involved in this process, set up your system, set up GoHighLevel, learn GoHighLevel at the same time, and outreach people daily. So the challenge starts with you using my link to sign up for a GoHighLevel extended 30-day trial. This is basically my idea where you get a 30-day free trial, and before you start paying for HighLevel, you start getting paid by your clients. So once you use my link to sign up, I will send you all the deliverables your way, all the SOPs, all the guidelines, all the video tutorials, so you can start working on it from day one. Now, let me show you what I'm going to send you so you have an overall idea before you get started. Before I show you all the deliverables, let me tell you how to get started with this challenge, because that's very important. Now, first, you need to visit this link. This link is in this video's description as well. Or if you want to go to ghl.ashhasib.com, basically this link over here, if you visit this link directly, you will be taken to this page. Just click on any of the buttons, says start my 30-day trial and challenge. Anywhere you click on this, it will take you to the GoHighLevel website. Now make sure when signing up for your 30-day free trial, you are using this link. Otherwise, because I have an automation set up in the backend, once you use this link only to sign up for the trial, only then you will receive the email with all the deliverables and all the guidelines and the snapshots and stuff. So make sure you use this link. And now let's go to the deliverables section. All right, we are on my screen right now. So let me tell you what I'm sending you as deliverables when you start this 30-day trial challenge. Let me actually give you a high-level overview first. So you're getting the 30-day extended free trial. Usually when you use the GoHighLevel website, they will give you a 14-day trial, but if you use my link, you're getting 30-day trials. So that's one thing. Next, I'm sending you all these documents. These are not just documents, they are guidelines, they are videos, there are SOPs in these documents, which will not help you only learn and set up your GoHighLevel. There are prospecting methods as well, along with the DM scripts, the cold calling scripts, and most importantly, there is a snapshot. That snapshot is basically what you need to do your prospecting and to get some sales to the door. That snapshot will have funnels, pipelines, automation scripts, everything. And I know it can get complicated. I have tried my best to keep it as easy as I could for you. So even if you're getting to know GoHighLevel this week and want to get started with this challenge, you can definitely do it. I'm giving you that snapshot. Along with that snapshot, I'm giving you the instructions on how to set it up, how to use it. So once you get access to this folder, which I will send you via email once the trial starts on your end, you will go to this step 0. And basically the theme of this step 0 is I'm trying to tell you, you don't have to be a GoHighLevel expert to become successful with your GoHighLevel agency. This basically guides you on the parts that you need to learn, that you must know about before you start doing your prospecting or before you start setting up your GoHighLevel agency. And this can be done parallelly to the other steps. That's why it's step 0. You can keep learning GoHighLevel. You can keep learning the stuff that you need to learn while doing the other things, while setting up the other stuff. This won't be confusing at all. Then step 1 is where you set up your agency account. Once you get the GoHighLevel trial account, you need to go through some setup steps to start your outreach, do the prospecting and all that stuff. This is a 10-point agency setup checklist along with the video tutorials. So for every step, there are video instructions. So if you get stuck, you can watch the videos and then solve that. And obviously some of the steps can be skipped. So for example, this one can be skipped. This one can be skipped. These won't have any negative effect on your 30-day challenge. Moving on, if we go to step 2, this is where I have described the prospecting steps. And again, there are video instructions on how to pick your niche, how to find the leads, how to reach out to these leads. And obviously there's the snapshot. So in the agency setup checklist, I have given all the documents, all the guidelines, all the videos on how to set up and how to start using that snapshot that I will provide with this 30-day challenge. And then in step 2, you'll basically use that snapshot, that system that I have built for you already. And there are videos again for that. So this basically has everything. And again, you need to be very consistent, guys, because this is not a magical formula. This formula requires a lot of effort. You have to invest your time and effort, even if you're not spending a lot of money. My goal is to make you successful or help you become successful. Let's word it that way. Help you become successful before GoHighLevel charges you. So before you get charged by GoHighLevel, I want you to get paid by your clients. And then this discovery call, I have described everything in step 3. What you need to do in the discovery call, and then, eventually get their card on file once you get a sale. Then you need to go through these steps. So these are the client onboarding checklists. And again, there are videos on how to do the client onboarding. So this is a fully implementational process, which requires a lot of your effort, your consistency. You need to be actively involved in this process to become successful. And just to confirm one more time, this challenge will start once you use my link to start your extended 30-day GoHighLevel trial. Once your trial starts, you will receive an email with all these deliverables, these snapshots, the guidelines, videos, everything. On that note, best of luck with your journey, and we will speak soon.